I'll be showing you the best restock alert apps for your Shopify store so you can ensure you're sending customers a timely alert so they can come back and buy that product. For each of these apps, we're taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we're going to take a look at is called Pre-Order Back in Stock by Stock. And so it lets you unlock more sales. So along with the back in stock alerts, you can sell pre-orders to lock in those sales today, and you can customize these offers to help convert customers. And it makes it easy to notify customers and keep them up to date. You can also collect signups through both of these options here, and it's going to auto send those alerts so you don't have to do it manually. In terms of pricing, there's a completely free plan with 10 pre-orders and 30 emails per month, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of emails you want to send, the number of pre-orders you want to collect. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 1.4 thousand 5-star reviews, and merchants appreciate this app for boosting conversion rates with its effective notification system for back in stock items. The next app we're going to take a look at is called COPYWRITIng Back in Stock and NotifyMe. It lets you recover lost sales with instant back in stock alerts. You can also have things such as an out of stock waitlist. It also has multi-language support, and it's going to match your theme design automatically. It's going to automatically notify these customers without you having to manually send those emails out. It also gives you real-time reports and smart analytics, and it has customizable alert notifications, so you can customize that to style your brand. In terms of pricing, there's a free plan with unlimited subscribers and 30 emails per month, where you're going to get those back in stock notifications. Prices for the paid plan start at $5 a month and go up depending on the number of email notifications. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars as well, and merchants highly recommend this app for its automated Notify Me feature, which alerts customers when out of stock items are available again, aiding in sales recovery and inventory management, which is exactly what we're looking for here. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have your cost of goods sold, ad spend, transaction fees, and so many other costs that make it hard to discover your store's true profit. And that's where our sponsor, Profit Calc, comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, aggregating all your metrics in one place so you can start making smarter business decisions, as you'll have a great understanding of how your store is actually performing. Everything is super easy to read in the dashboard, and there are many other reports available as well. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find it on the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and just looking for this logo in the top left. I'll also leave a link in the description below. Again, there's a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything so you can get a true understanding of your store's profit performance. Next up, we have SK Back in Stock Restock Alert that lets you create waiting lists and recover lost sales via automatic restock notifications. You can also use it using WhatsApp as well, SMS or email, so giving customers multiple methods to be contacted there. You're also going to get analytics and insights, as well as a multi-language support and widget customizations. In terms of pricing, there is a free plan here that gives you 20 email notifications per month, and paid plans start at $10 and go up from there. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 65-star reviews. This latest review here says that the Back in Stock is a fantastic app, and it helps them notify customers when products are available again, which has boosted their sales and kept customers happy. Lastly, we have SC Back in Stock Alerts. So again, an automated restock alert app that makes it easy to notify customers. You can also send out batch alerts, saving time and driving sales. You also get data-driven retargeting to help boost sales and loyalty, and you can customize that notification widget to create visually appealing and engaging notifications. In terms of pricing, there's a free plan with 50 email alerts, which is the most we've seen so far in this video, and unlimited push notifications and unlimited back in stock requests. If you want to do email only, it's $10 a month and you get unlimited emails. And you also get integrations with MailChimp, Klaviyo, PushOwl, and more. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with 157 5-star reviews. One of the latest reviews here said that it's a fantastic experience and the support was really helpful with setting this up. This concludes the video here on the best restock alert apps for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video or it helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.